Hello, my name is Jonathan Fortman and I'm an attorney in St. Louis, Missouri. I wanted to do a short video just to introduce myself and my law firm to you so that if you have any questions or you decide you want to talk to us, you have some background as to what we do. I've been an attorney since 1992, and in the 20 plus years I've been practicing law, have concentrated on representing individuals who have been injured by the negligence or intentional acts of others. For the past 17 years, I've had my own law firm, and for the past 7 years, we have concentrated on representing franchisees against franchisors in disputes that arise in that situation. We're one of the few law firms in the United States that represent only franchisees in these disputes. We do not represent franchisors because I believe that to do that would be a conflict of interest in the kind of work that we do. We are the only firm that I know of that operates in all of these cases under a contingent fee contract. That means that if you have a dispute with a franchisor and you come to us and we accept your case, you do not pay us anything up front. You don't pay a retainer, you don't pay an hourly fee. We only get paid if we are successful on your behalf. What I found when I started doing this kind of work is that there was a need for that kind of relationship. In many of these situations with a fraudulent franchise system, the franchisees have lost all of their money, have lost their life savings, their retirements, everything, and the last thing they can afford is to hire an attorney and pay them hourly to work on their behalf. And so what we did is we stepped in, and there were several cases that we took that other attorneys had turned down, or the client couldn't get the attorney to take other than by paying an upfront fee. By doing it the way we do, that takes that pressure off of you and makes us truly partners in your case. Because you know that we're working on your behalf, working to get the case resolved as quickly as we can, and working as hard as we can on your behalf because frankly our economic interests are aligned with yours. And I think that makes for a much better relationship, and you're not worried about if I'm going to call the lawyer, how much is it going to cost me? If I go in for a meeting, how much does that cost? We take all of that stress away from you. You should not have to worry about talking to a lawyer and how much that's going to cost you. When we evaluate a case and we decide to take it, we are fully invested in that case, and we will do whatever we need to do to address the wrongs. And if that means talking to you daily, if that means talking to you hourly, we will do that, and it will not cost you anything out of your pocket. We utilize a team approach. We use paralegals and legal assistants who are involved in every case from the start to the finish. What that allows also is for the client to have constant contact with somebody who can answer their questions and will know everything about the case. Many times the major complaint against lawyers is that we do not call people back. And unfortunately that's true because we're busy, we've got a lot of things on our plate, and sometimes it takes us a long time to get back to people. And other times, we just don't have anything to report to you. But by doing it the way that we do, you don't have to worry about that. You can talk to somebody who's fully qualified, fully capable, knows your case, knows you, and can answer your questions. And if they can't answer it, can get the answer and get back to you in a very quick manner. The other service that we offer is that for potential franchisees who are thinking about buying a franchise, one of the biggest decisions you have to make is this a right investment for me? Because many of these franchises will require a significant outlay of money to get into the system. One area where you should not scrimp and save on is getting adequate legal advice before you sign the franchise agreement. Many of the situations that we encounter could have been avoided had the franchisee come to us before they signed the agreement. As part of your due diligence, you need to contact someone, and you need to contact an attorney that is well versed in the area of franchise law. A franchise is a very unique kind of legal situation, and I'll post another video of discussing some of those differences, and so you can see. But we provide that service for a very practical amount of money, but then that can give you some peace of mind knowing that we've looked at all of the potential pitfalls that you may encounter under any given system. So if you have any questions, if you've had a problem with a franchisor, and you just want to talk about your situation and see if there's anything that can be done, feel free to contact us. Our contact information is in the description. Our website is www.fortmanlaw.com, and you can also contact us via email through the website. And I look forward to speaking to you and helping you if you've had any of these issues arise. We'll also be doing some more videos about specifics in the franchise area. My staff will do videos to introduce themselves, and so that, you know, if you have questions going forward, feel free to look at those other videos and to contact us at any time. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a good day.